Hello everyone, this is Amita Pandit from Oriental College of Technology, Department of Information and Technology. Today my topic is Artificial Neural Network Architecture. So first of all, I would like to explain what is the neural network. Neural network is a computing system which is inspired by a biological neural network. We can say that it is a series of algorithm. I would say neural network behave like a generic program that recognize the patterns, and it is also used for solving the business related problem like sales forecasting, customer research, data validation, etc. It is used to produce the powerful and effective results. And here you can see the three types of artificial neural network architectures. So the first is a single layer feed forwarded network. First of all, what is the feed forwarded network? Feed forwarded network means suppose there are two nodes A and B, and if signal goes from A to B, not B to A, which is called feed forwarded network. In single layer feed forwarded network, we must have one input layer and one output layer of the processing unit. There will be no feedback connection between B to A. This is called perceptron. Now the second is multi-layer feed-forwarded network. It must have one input layer, one output layer, or one or more hidden layers. Hidden layers placed between input unit and output unit, but there will be no feedback connection directly or indirectly between input and output layer. That is called multi-layer perceptron. Now third one is recurrent neural network. Any network with at least one feedback network, it may or may not have hidden layers, which is called recurrent network. Here you can see the different examples of network architectures. In a single layer feed forwarding network, you can say that there is a two input layer. You can see here dark bubble is the input layer, and one single bubble is output layer. So these input layer are connected to the output layer, which is called the single layer feed forwarded network. Now the second is multi-layer feed forwarded network. It have one hidden unit. Okay, so firstly input layer is connected to the hidden layers, and hidden layers are connected to the output layer. Now the third one is recurrent network. Here you can see that input layer is connected to the hidden layer is connected to the output layer, and output layer have a signal back to the hidden layer, which is called the feedback network. So these are the examples of network architecture. Now the third part is the type of activation and transfer function. So in previous video I have already told or explained what is the threshold function. So basically threshold function is used to generate the binary output. Okay, and it have a two value, 1 and 0. Here x is the net output. If your value of net output is greater than 0 or equal to 0, then it will come under the 1, and if it is less than 0, then it will come under the 0. This is called the threshold function, and you can see the graph inside. Now the second is piecewise linear function. It is the same as threshold function, but one more extra function is added, that is x plus 0.5, and the graph is shown inside. Now the sigmoidal function. Sigmoidal function is a type of activation function. Here e to the power minus x. Minus x is what? X is your net output. So whenever you need to calculate the sigmoidal function, firstly you need to calculate the net output, and the value of net output you have to put this value as e to the power net output. Okay, so you can find out the value of sigmoidal function. So here is the three graphs are showing inside. You can see that this is a very important topic, and mostly it comes in the exams. So this was my topic, artificial neural network architectures. Thank you.